Evie kids TV.
Can you kiss Hannah?
What? Oh my god. Wait, Daddy, where's the eyes?
Oh, they don't have eyes. Oh.
But Daddy, let's view this time. Daddy, let's view this one.
Oh.
What is this?
Tentacles.
Tentacles to stick from the water.
Yeah.
Whoa! I don't want to hurt you anymore.
Okay, good. Now, 1, 2, 3. One more. Good job.
I'm gonna do it again.
Wait, let me mix this a little. So you have space to put more.
You!
Wait, what's wrong?
I don't want to hold the octopus.
Why?
Because it's so... Give me it now.
Why? Why don't you want to hold the octopus? Okay, now dip.
1, 2, 3.
Let drop. Good job, Chef Evie.
Daddy, I'm gonna put more space.
Okay.
Okay, one more time. Uh-oh. Daddy, why is this open?
Seriously, what 4-year-old? I can't even eat a whole octopus. I can only do like the octopus legs, a grilled barbecue one.
Daddy said she can wash this part inside.
Yeah.
Daddy, give me it.
She did wash. She will like eat them one at a time. Like.
1, 2, 3, 4. Feel it. Feel this part. Feel it, Bobby. I'm gonna go fishing. Yes, I caught a fish.
That's not a fish. What is that?
Octopus. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You say, ta-da!
I'm gonna put 1 here and 2 here. 1 and talk. Daddy, can I have the chopsticks? How come she have eyes?
Oh, because the butcher forgot the fisherman forgot to cut it off. Was it yummy?
I ate the head. Do you see his head now?
You ate the head!
No, cannot see the head. Look.
Oh, there's no more head!
Try, Daddy.
Good job! We did it! Not a fan of I like it grilled. I let her taste it first.
Eyes. Look at the eyes.
Yeah. Share some with mommy?
Daddy, do you want to touch the eyes?
Ah!
Like and subscribe.